Join us as we sample the plant-forward flavors of the Middle East. Today, we're cooking up this Barilla Chickpea Rotini with spicy eggplant and shakshuka sauce. The pasta really shines with this flavor pairing and makes a dish that might be unfamiliar instantly approachable. Let's get cooking. First, we'll prepare a pasta. I'm using Barilla Chickpea Rotini, which is gluten-free and single ingredient, so very clean label, made just with chickpea flour. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Add a handful of salt, about a tablespoon per pound of pasta. Add the Barilla Chickpea Rotini pasta and cook for 4 minutes or until the pasta is cooked about halfway. Drain the pasta, drizzle with a bit of oil, cool on a sheet tray and set aside or refrigerate. Toss the diced eggplant with salt and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Pat off any excess liquid. Next, heat a sauté pan over medium-high heat. Add some oil and sauté the eggplant until nicely browned and cooked through. Set aside. Add a little more oil to a skillet. Add the cumin seeds and toast in the oil for about a minute until aromatic. Add the onion and peppers and sauté until they turn translucent. Season with salt and pepper. Add the garlic, chili, coriander, and pimenton, and again, cook until aromatic. Add the bay leaves and thyme leaves and continue to cook for a few more minutes over medium heat. Add the tomatoes and their juice and cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sauce is thick like a paste. Now, add the eggplant and pasta water or stock to thin out the mixture so it has a tomato sauce-like consistency. Let the shakshuka simmer so the flavors melt. Remove the bay leaf. Add the par-cooked pasta to the shakshuka and bring to a simmer. Cook for about 2 minutes or until the pasta is cooked through. Stir in the green onions, parsley, and cilantro and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. Now we're ready to serve. Place the pasta in a bowl and top with a hot poached egg. Garnish with preserved lemons, feta cheese, parsley, and zhug on the side. There you have it, chickpea rotini with spicy eggplant shakshuka, a poached egg, and zhug. The bold, fresh flavors in this plant-forward recipe are sure to delight your guests. This versatile dish can be served at any day part, at an action station, or as a single-plated entree.